Japan. Island country lying off the east coast of Asia, it consists of the great string of islands in a northeast-southwest arc that stretches for approximately 1500 miles through the western North Pacific Ocean. Nearly the entire land area is taken up by the country's four main islands, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu, plus thousands of minor ones extended through the Ryukyu island chain, framing the East China Sea. The national capital, Tokyo, in east-central Honshu, is one of the world's most populous cities. The Japanese landscape is rugged, which more than four-fifths of the land's surface consists of mountains. There are many active and dominant volcanoes, including Mount Fuji, which at an elevation of 12,388 feet is Japan's highest mountain. Abundant precipitation and the generally mild temperature throughout most of the country have produced lush vegetation cover, and despite the mountainous terrain and generally poor soil, have made it possible to raise a variety of crops. Japan has a large and, to a great extent, ethnically homogeneous population, which is heavily concentrated in the low-lying areas along the Pacific coast of Honshu. Since 1950, has emerged as one of the world's most economically and technologically advanced societies. Heavy emphasis is placed on education, and Japan is one of the world's most literate countries. About 73% of Japan is forested, mountainous and unstable for agriculture, industrial or residential use. As a result, the habitable zones, mainly in coastal areas, have extremely high population densities. Japan is one of the most densely populated countries. Japan is substantially prone to earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanoes because of its location along the Pacific Ring of Fire. It has the 15th largest natural disaster risk as measured in the 2013 World Risk Index. Japan has 108 active volcanoes, which are primarily the result of large oceanic movements. The average winter temperature in Japan is 5.1 degrees Celsius, and the average summer temperature is 25.2 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature ever measured in Japan is 41.1 degrees Celsius, was recorded on July 23, 2018. The main rainy seasons begins in the early May in Okinawa, and the rain front gradually moves north until it reaches the Hokkaido in late July. In late summer, the early autumn typhoons often bring heavy rain. According to the Environment Ministry, heavy rains and increasing temperature have caused several problems in the agriculture industry. Japan has 9 forest ecoregions, which reflects the climate and geography of the islands. Japan has over 90,000 species of wildlife, including the brown bear, the Japanese raccoon dog, the large Japanese field mouse, and the Japanese giant salamander. A large network of national parks has been established to protect the wildlife. Japan has close economic and military relations with the United States. The US-Japan Security Alliance acts as the cornerstone of the nation's foreign policy. The United States is a major market for Japanese exports and primary source of Japanese imports, and is committed to defending the country, having military bases in Japan for that purpose. Japan maintains one of the largest military budgets of any country in the world. The country's military, the Japan Self-Defense Forces, is restricted by Article 9 of Japanese Constitution, which renounces Japan's right to declare war or use military force in international disputes. Japan is the highest-ranked Asian country in the Global Peace Index. Japan is the third largest national economy in the world, after the United States and China, in the terms of national GDP, and fourth largest national economy in the world, after the United States, China, and India, in terms of purchasing power parity. As of 2017, Japan's public debt was estimated at more than 230% of its annual gross domestic product, and largest of any nation in the world. The service sector accounts for 3/4 of the gross domestic product. Japan is a leading nation in scientific research, partially in the natural sciences and engineering. The country ranks second among the most innovative countries. Japanese scientists and engineers have contributed to the advancement of agriculture, sciences, electronics, industrial robotics, optics, chemicals, semiconductors, life sciences, and various fields of engineering. Japan leads the world in robotics production and use, processing more than 20% of the world's industrial robots.